everyone, welcome to Foresights TV with me Anjali. The world will come together to celebrate World Space Week, a momentous occasion that pays tribute to the significant advancements in space science and technology. As the largest annual space event globally, World Space Week highlights the remarkable contributions made by scientists and innovators in expanding our understanding of the cosmos. Let's delve into the exciting realm of space exploration and the incredible journey that awaits during this extraordinary week. Here's a special story from Foresights TV. The United Nations states that World Space Week serves multiple purposes, including inspiring students, showing public support for the space program, educating the public about space activities, and promoting international cooperation in space outreach and education. The theme for World Space Week 2023 is Space and Entrepreneurship, which acknowledges the growing importance of the commercial space industry and the opportunities it offers for entrepreneurship and space-related advancements. World Space Week 2023 aims to encourage students worldwide to pursue STEM and business studies and provide space companies with a chance to recruit talented individuals for the expanding commercial space sector. Since the early days of the space age, the United Nations has recognized the impact of outer space and humanity. In 1967, the UN General Assembly adopted its first resolution on space and the Treaty on Principles governing the activities of states in the exploration of use of outer space, including the moon and other celestial bodies, came into effect on October 10th of that year. The United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs was established to promote international cooperation in the peaceful utilization of outer space. India has made significant contributions to space exploration as well. In August 2023, India successfully landed on the moon's south pole with the Chandrayaan-3 mission, following its previous achievements such as launching the Aditya L1 mission to study the sun. Prior to these missions, India accomplished milestones such as launching its first satellite, Aryabhatta, in 1975 and the successful launch of the experimental spin-stabilized satellite, RS-1, in 1980. The Indian Space Agency's IRS program, which began in 1988 with the launch of IRS-1A, has been instrumental in the development and deployment of advanced indigenous remote sensing satellites. Over the years, India has not only achieved remarkable success in its own satellite launches, but has also extended its assistance to other countries by launching their satellites. Through this program, India has significantly contributed to the field of space exploration and remote sensing technology. The IRS program stands as a testament to India's commitment to innovation and international collaboration in the realm of space exploration. Thank you for watching Foresights TV with me, Anjali.